Hello students, now we'll solve NCERT example 1.11. The question goes like this: the electric field components in figure 1.27, I have drawn the figure here, are Ex equal to alpha x to the power 1 by 2, Ey equal to Ez equal to 0. Electric field along x component is there, but electric field along y and z components are 0, in which alpha equal to 800 Newton per coulomb meter to the power 1 by 2. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate option A, the flux through the cube, that is phi. Option B, the charge within the cube, that is Q. Assume that A equal to 0.1 meter. What is A here? A is the side of the cube whose value is 0.1 meter. Check the units. Meter is here meter. Okay, rest are same. So we can proceed with the figure. Let's understand the figure first. The figure goes like this. Here x axis, y axis, z axis. Okay. X axis, in the x axis the electric field is like this: alpha x to the power 1 by 2. That means electric field along x axis depend on two things. One is the alpha, which is constant, whose value is given in the question. Second is x. What is x? X is the distance, x coordinate, that means distance from the origin. This is the origin, so x is the distance. So electric field at different point depends on the distance from the origin. Okay, if we will take a point here, what is the distance from origin to this point? It is a. So electric field at this point will be alpha time a to the power 1 by 2, and at this point is located at a distance. See the distance from the origin, it is a plus a, that is 2a. Okay, and Ey equal to 0, it is given, already given in the question. Ez is also equal to 0. First we will calculate the flux through the cube. Flux through the cube means flux through all the 6 faces of the cube. Here I am showing the 6 faces one by one, you see. Okay, along the y component we have one face, this upper face, lower face, 2. Then along the z component, this front and back, 4. Along the x component, this right and left. So we are having total 6 faces. So we have to calculate the flux for all the 6 faces separately. Then we have to add all the 6 fluxes, and then we'll get the net flux. So for that I have written here in short. Along the x component, how many faces we have? 2. One is this one, second one is this one. So what will be the flux? Flux formula we know, phi equal to E dot S, or it is the electric field dot S. What is S here? S is the surface area. So for this phase I have written. Now important thing to see here is the direction. Okay, direction with respect to what? Direction with respect to x axis. So here x component, the direction of x component here is along the x axis, it is given. So for this phase the direction of electric field is towards x, positive x, that is we can say I cap, and the area vector is also towards I cap, same direction. So we have already studied the scalar product of two vectors, that is I dot j, like that. Okay, so same direction, dot product will be 1. This is, or we can say the angle, this is towards right, this is also towards right. What is the angle between them? The angle between them is 0. For this phase, this is toward right, this is towards left, the angle between them is 180 degree. So I have written here Ex del S cos 0. For this phase it is cos 0, for this phase it is cos 180 degree. Again if we will go to the y axis, for y axis it is Ey del S, this area, cos of, see, electric field this side, area vector is always perpendicular to the surface. So for this surface the area vector will be perpendicular like this. It is always perpendicular, outward perpendicular. So what is the angle? This is right direction and this is upward, so angle is 90 degrees. So I have written here cos of 90 degree for this face. Again for this face what I will write? It is the same, Ey, then ds or del S, cos, again outward normal, okay, direction of area vector, and E vector is towards right, so 90 degree I have written. Again we will see for the Z, it is this front and the back face. For the front face again, okay, what is the angle? This right side, this is front, the 90 degree, back side also 90 degree. So Ez, okay, Ez del S, this area, front area, cos of 90 degree, and plus for the back surface you can write Ez, this area 90 degree. Okay, now we have included all the 6 faces, 1 2 3 4 5 6 faces. Now we'll see what is the value of cos 90. Cos 90 equal to 0. So as cos 90 equal to 0, the 4 terms out of these 6 terms will be equal to 0, that is 1 2 3 4, these 4 terms are equal to 0. Only we are left with the 2, that is along the x axis. Okay, so Ex del S cos 0, Ex del S cos 180. Good. Then we'll see the next step, that is it is Ex del S cos 0. What is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 equal to 1 plus cos 180 equal to minus 1. So student, here do not cancel it out. Okay, Ex del S minus Ex del X, del S surface area is same as it is a cube, each face is A, so the surface area will be A square, but here Ex is not same for both the faces. Okay, for left and right the value of Ex is not same, because Ex not only depend on alpha, it depends on x. X is the distance. For left face value of x equal to a from here to here. For the right face, this face, the value of x equal to a plus a 2a. So the value of this E is different for left and right face. Okay, I have written here. So I have written the value of Ex equal to alpha x to the power 1 by 2. This is given in the question. For the left and right face, we will see. Again I am showing here left face. For the left face, this x equal to a. For the right face, this x, that means distance from the origin, equal to 2a. I will put here. Left face alpha a to the power 1 by 2. Right face alpha 2a to the power 1 by 2. Next, it is very easy to solve. You can solve by your own. Still I am writing it for you. I will calculate the flux for the left face, that is phi L equal to E dot ds, or here it is EL dot del S. Right face same ER dot ds. Okay, for the left face, what is the angle? Left face we'll see here. Left face direction left side, right side 180 degree, right face 0 degree. Put it here. E left a square. A square, what is a square? A square is the surface area. This is EL del S area a square dot, okay, angle between E area vector, E electric field and area vector, that is cos 180. So cos 180 minus 1 will get, so it will be minus EL a square. If we go for the flux for the right face, ER del S, so ER area again same a square, then angle between electric field and this is area vector 0, so cos 0 equal to 1, we got ER a square. Very good. Next we got, so the next flux will be flux through the left face plus through the right face. Flux through the left face is minus EL a square, flux through the right face is ER a square. We will add this to, how to add? Now in place of EL, okay, we will put the value as given. What is given? Ex equal to alpha x to the power 1 by 2. So here we will write how much I got EL, see here alpha, okay, minus alpha a to the power 1 by 2, a to the power 1 by 2, and here a square plus again ER equal to alpha 2a to the power 1 by 2, a square. Next, rest is maths. So I have taken here common. What is common here? Alpha is common, alpha common, a square common, a to the power 2, here also it is a to the power 2, that means 2 to the power 1 by 2, a to the power 1 by 2 common. I have taken common. What is left here? Nothing, just minus 1. Check it properly. Plus here Okay, root 2. How root 2 shall I explain? It is 2a whole to the power 1 by 2 equal to 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 1 to the power 1 by 2, a to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so I have made some changes. Alpha a square a to the power 1 by 2, exponents and power you have already learned. So 2 plus 1 by 2, here root 2 minus 1. Put the values alpha 800, a to the power 5 by 2. What is a? A is given in the question to be 0.1 to the power 5 by 2. Root 2 value 1.414 minus 1. Solve it. 800 0.1 to the power 5 by 2. It is 1 minus 1. Sorry, 1.414 minus 1. So this is 0.414. Multiply this 2, you will get 331.2. 0.1 to the power 5 by 2 I have solved here. You see 0.1 to the power 5 by 2 equal to 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 to the power 5 by 2. 1 it is equal to 1 to the power 5 by 2, 10 to the power 5 by 2, 1 to the power 5 by 2, 1 to the power any number equal to, it will be equal to 1 if it is positive, or we can say if it is even. Next, 10 to the power 5 by 2, 10 to the power 5 by 2 value you find out, you will get 100 root 10. I have put here. So 331.2 is value 1 by 100 root 10, 1 by 100 root 10 I have put here. Solve this, we will be getting 331.2 divided by 100, 2 digits here I have taken, 3.312, root 10 value I have put 3.162, we will be getting 1.047. Okay, this is what is this? This is the flux. So the flux through all the faces is equal to 1.047 Newton meter square per coulomb. Next is to find the charge enclosed. We know Gauss's law. From Gauss law we can write flux phi equal to q by epsilon naught. So q equal to, cross multiply it, phi epsilon naught. What is phi? We have found flux 1.047, or it is equal to 1.05 into epsilon naught value 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. So if you multiply, you will get 9.29 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb. So this is the answer. Hope you understood. Thank you.